I'm Kendra Aronson. I'm the author of the San Luis Obispo Farmers Market Cookbook, and today I'm going to be making a super simple salsa verde. So if you have leftover parsley or cilantro and you don't know what to do with it and it's about to wilt and become mealy and yucky, here's a way to save those herbs and make it into something super fresh. So it's kind of a riff on salsa verde. So it's whatever you have on hand in terms of herbs. So if you have cilantro, great. Parsley, great. I like to add lemon to it because I like really acidic lemony things. We're gonna add some shallots, some garlic, some olive oil, red wine vinegar, salt and pepper. And I really just kind of throw it all together and do it to taste. And it's totally based on your personal preference. If you want more lemon, if you want more vinegar, like more acid, or if you want more fat, add more olive oil. If you want it salty. So yeah, we're gonna get started here. Okay, so yeah, the first step is, so here I have cilantro and parsley, so I'm just gonna tear off the stems. There you go. It's just putting it into my food processor here. Again, just use whatever herbs you have on hand. And it's just a great way to use up the whole bunch. And then I'm also gonna throw in 2 cloves of garlic, a little bit of shallot, some lemon, whoops, and some red wine vinegar. Again, I'm just kind of eyeballing it right now, olive oil, and I'm gonna just adjust while it does its thing. Okay, some pepper and salt. Now we're gonna blend it. It doesn't take that long. Okay. So this needs more olive oil. And this salsa verde, I would put really on anything, on grilled chicken, on steak. You could even make a yogurt dip and dollop some of it in it, mix it up and eat it with, you know, vegetables like radish or carrots. It's really great. You could even spread it on a sandwich instead of like mayonnaise or mustard. It just makes everything taste really bright. Okay, so here it is. Also, another thing you could do is with softened butter, you could mix this in to make a really nice herb butter that you could put on biscuits. You could put a dab of that on a steak that just came off the grill, fish. You can put this on anything. Okay, so we're gonna taste test it again, the final.
Delicious.
Thanks.
I would put that on everything.
Yeah.